Hi there, I'm Ryan, and I wanted to quickly show you how to insert a web video and how to swap out the iFrame code using Vidyard, Brightcove, and Vimeo, even YouTube. So it requires a little bit of code, but you can copy and paste that. I'm going to show you all very quickly. The reason why that you would want to do an embed inside a Storyline or Captivate is that you want to be able to swap the video out without having to republish the course. So let's say that you made a mistake on a video and you found out at the last minute that maybe what you did was a no-no or wasn't right. You can go onto your video server like Vidyard and you can swap out that video without having to do anything with the course. It is a fantastic alternative. Also, let the video servers do the job with processing it instead of putting the video inside of your LMS. So inside of a particular, I'm inside of the a scene right now, and I have already inserted a web video. Let me show you how to do that, and then we're gonna go grab the iFrame code from Vidyard real quickly. So under the Insert tab, I'm gonna go over to Web. Actually, I'm not going to Web Object. I used to do that. I'm gonna go under Video, and I'm gonna go Video from Website, and this is where I will paste in my embed code from Vidyard. And let me show you how I'm going to do that, because I had to change the structure a little bit. By eliminating the title up here at the top, it won't show the title as long as your player says that not to show a title. But a lot of times those are code and you don't want that. So I eliminated that. The next thing you want to do in the iFrame code is change this to what your desktop is. Mine is 965 by 540. So I went ahead and changed that to that aspect ratio. Now let's pop over into Vidyard here, and I'll show you that when I have the video selected, there's a bunch of drop downs under the right, and I want to go to embed into web page, and then I want to, instead of inline responsive, which is the default, I want to go to iFrame, and you want to copy that iFrame code over, and then I want to go back into Storyline and then paste that. You can do the same thing inside of Captivate. When you select OK, you're going to get a warning, and that warning is OK. Just go ahead and hit cancel. It's trying to communicate it. Unfortunately, you cannot preview web video with locally. You have to post it or publish it either to your hard drive or to the review site to review. But that's it. So what you need to do after this, let's say I have a web a video that needs to be swapped out with a new video because we're switching from Brightcove to Vidyard. You want to right-click on that web video and you want to change the embed code. And here I could just paste in my new embed code. So that's it. That's how to insert a web video up here at the top under video, video from website, and then right-clicking is how you change the embed code. Take care. Have a wonderful day. Bye.